Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be a little different from my normal Monday meal prep vlogs. It is Monday, it is meal prep day, and I am meal prepping. However, this video is going to consist of activities that I will be doing with my family, with my kids, during this holiday time. So it is 7 days until Christmas, and so I am figuring out activities that I'm going to be doing with my kids, with my family, up until the day of Christmas. So today I've been figuring, y'all, so I didn't have all this planned out. I wasn't really raised in a household that celebrated holidays. So and then even after my mom and my dad divorced and holidays became a thing, we still really didn't put emphasis on holidays. And so as me, coming up being an adult, I am figuring it out with my kids and building traditions and keeping them and doing things that make sense instead of just doing things because other people do them. So yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. So my pattern with holidays and stuff is not perfect. Considering, I thought this would be a helpful video because I am considering making things work with budgeting, with just keeping in mind that I have a budget, keeping in mind that I'm not rich, keeping in mind that it's still the holidays and my children want to have fun. My children want to do Christmas things, or should I say my son is sick, so he has experienced a lot thus far when it comes to holidays. So he looks forward to Christmas. That's his favorite holiday. I have a 1-year-old, so this will be his first time really seeing how this is done. But I want my kids to experience great holiday traditions, family traditions, because it's not really all about the holiday to me. It's really just all about my family coming together, being thankful, incorporating the Lord in everything that we do, and doing things that is good for our family, that rewards the kids, that just speaks family togetherness, unity, things like that. So although I do love Christmas, it's really more about just the Lord and being thankful and bringing family together and doing the things that we love to do. So with all that being said, y'all, I'm starting this vlog because I want to just show how I figure out holidays. When my first son was born, I was just going all out, doing all type of stuff that didn't make sense, buying all type of gifts that sometimes he ain't even ever use, just spending money that just didn't make sense. And so as I started to grow and develop and learn a lot of things and start asking questions and making sense of stuff, now I'm not so quick to just spend money and wanting to spend credit cards and do all the extra stuff for Christmas. I want to make it make sense. I want to make it meaningful, and I also want to do it affordably because we have life. This is a time, this is a day where we celebrate, and that's good, but we still do have life, and so I don't want to spend our whole life savings for Christmas, okay? And even walking into next year, I am now planning Christmas at the top of the year, planning holidays, budgeting for holidays at the top of the year instead of waiting at the last minute to see what it is that I need to do. So now, like I'm doing now, so now I'm just figuring out, okay, what do I want to do? I did step back a lot on Christmas, but I don't want to just snatch it away from my son. We're still going to have Christmas. We're still going to have that warm and good, great feeling that he loves and that we love. And so every day until Christmas. It's like I said, we have 7 days to Christmas, so every day till Christmas I want to do something with my family that speaks just, you know, it's Christmassy and just speaks, you know, bringing us together and doing something fun or doing something that we enjoy. So with that being said, tonight what we're going to do is we're going to camp out in the living room, because that's something we like to do in the family. We're going to lay out our palettes and do all our, you know, covers and get comfortable. We're going to watch a Christmas movie, and we are going to do an activity. So the activity for today is we're going to make a charcuterie board. I hope I said that right. I don't know if I did or not, but I do like those charcuterie boards. We're going to make a Christmas tree. So I don't know if it's going to actually be a charcuterie board. If I can find a board in the store that's cheap enough, then I'll get a board. You know, because all these did have the boards in the shape of a Christmas tree. So if I can find, I don't think there's any more though. So if I can find one and it's affordable, then I'll get that. If not, then we'll just use a pan, okay? And do it in a pan and do it in the shape of a Christmas tree, like a charcuterie board. And so that's what we are going to do, a charcuterie board in the shape of a Christmas tree. I'm gonna buy a couple different options. I do want it to be affordable. I want it to be under $30, to be completely honest. So we're gonna see what I can find, what I can do. I'll let you know how much I spend. And yeah, in the midst of that, I am shopping for meal prep too, because yesterday we all just was feeling under the weather, so we just relaxed. We had a busy week last week, so we relaxed the entire day. I did not go to church, we did not go grocery shopping, and so I'm doing that now. So I'm getting the stuff for the charcuterie board. I'm also getting the stuff for meal prep, and then I'm gonna go home, meal prep, and then we're gonna relax as a family after I'm done doing content stuff, meal prep stuff. And yeah, we're gonna relax as a family and watch a Christmas movie, create our charcuterie board, which I'm gonna show you guys, and then chill out. Yeah, so this vlog is going to consist of the activities that I'm doing with my family that I'm making up as we go. I got this idea from Pinterest, so me and my family kind of picked it out. We like, oh, we would like to do this, so that's what we're gonna do. So that's what we're doing today. Tomorrow we will figure it out, tomorrow or tonight, and I will show you guys as we do. Now we might skip a day, I don't know. I'm gonna try to do every day, but either way, this is the vlog that's gonna show you guys what I'm doing every day with my family, that is preparing us for Christmas, and you know, the festivities and getting in the Christmas spirit and all that good stuff. So yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it. So I'm probably not gonna show meal prep. I might, I don't know, but I will be showing every activity that we do up until Christmas Day. So I hope that this inspires someone. Hopefully this can help you for next Christmas or the next holiday, or give you an ideal in some type of way. But holidays don't have to be how we see them on TV, how we see them in other people's houses. Make holidays what makes sense for your family. Don't just do things because you see them. Do it because it makes sense for your family. Do it because it's something that your family love. Create the traditions that make sense for you guys and what you love and value and believe in, and don't care about what people think. So that's it, y'all. I'm going in the store. I'm gonna stop talking. I've been talking for too long. Alright, y'all, so we got our little Christmas stuff going on, healthy stuff going on. Got a little goodies, you know, mixing it up. We got our fruit, our veggies, we got our nuts, our crackers and pretzels. Got a little dip right here. This is our Christmas tree. So it's supposed to be a charcuterie board, but we didn't have no board, so we used a platter. So charcuterie platter, I don't know.
But this is a candy cane.
Christmas tree that we made. That's so
this
cute.
This is a candy cane.
What?
This is a candy cane.
Yeah, so PJ made the little dip in the dip. I mean the little face in the dip. So yeah, y'all, this is so cute. Now we're about to set up in the living room and watch us some Christmas movies. Okay, y'all, so on Thursday we missed a day because my son had to go to the hospital. He was teething, but I thought he had an ear infection, so I was in the hospital all night. However, we picked up on Friday, even though I didn't get no sleep, and we went and got ice cream at Cops, just to continue, ongoing. I didn't know what to do, so I just kind of pulled that out of a hat, and that's what we did. So this was Saturday. I cooked, but the highlight was we had made a Christmas punch, and so it took a lot to actually make that because we made everything like fresh with fruit and all of that, but it was really good. And then Sunday they opened up their gifts because it was Christmas Eve, so they are able to open up one gift on Christmas Eve. That's our little tradition, and so that's what they did. My son was excited, y'all. He's growing up, so he doesn't look as excited as he used to, but he was asking questions. So my other son couldn't open up his gift, so my oldest son helped him to do that. But yeah, y'all, we enjoyed this week. It was a really good week, even though there was a little change in the schedule of me going to the hospital and having to stay there the whole entire night because they were so busy. But my son, he's doing okay. He had some pain medicine, so he's doing better. He got a chance to open up his little gift, and they were happy. So also on this same day, which was Christmas Eve, we did a gingerbread house, so you guys will see that in just a second. But that is pretty much it, y'all. We had a good week. I didn't plan everything accordingly how it should have, but next year will be better. But we did continue, even though we had a little disruption. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Press the notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload videos. I love you guys. I hope you have a beautiful, blessed, and prosperous day. And like I always love to say, be you because you are enough.